The following segment is paid for by Holston Medical Group. Well, we all know life is full of changes, and sometimes those changes can be difficult. In today's Living Well with Holston Medical Group, we sit down with a pediatrician to get some tips on how to make a smooth transition from pediatrics to adult primary care. They are the first person to be responsible for our care, from that first cold to the annual wellness visits and everything in between. Through injuries and illness, pediatricians and patients form quite a bond over the years, but children grow into teens and teens into adults. Dr. Sarah Smiddy-Youssef remembers even her own transition.
I actually was a patient of HMG's as a kid. I saw Dr. Gendron and then came back kind of full circle, and now I work where I used to come as a child, so it's really cool.
As a pediatrician, she works with children of all ages, making sure they're healthy and happy, but eventually those kids grow up.
We will keep patients until 21 here if they want to stay with us, and oftentimes, we were kind of laughing about it before, but at 21 we're like, okay, it's time to go to family practice. So we usually start talking about it at 18.
A conversation to ease the transition, walking them through the process of first finding another doctor.
Yeah, I find it's really easy at HMG, and that's one thing that makes it much easier for us as doctors, because we have family practice adult medicine doctors just upstairs, and all of our medical records are in one place. So when our patients transition upstairs, they can read every note from every visit they've ever had at Holston Medical Group, which makes it so easy.
The other part of that equation is now navigating your own care.
I think that might be the scariest part for our patients, because they're used to coming here, they know who they'll see, they know what to do. So we just walk them through it. Here's the number that you're going to call, make an appointment, take your insurance card, it's on the 3rd floor.
Dr. Youssef says it takes a little time, but usually patients settle in really well. And she does okay too, although she admits it's not always easy on the pediatrician either. But knowing she helped them find the right primary care doctor makes all the difference. Then, before you know it, they're back again, this time bringing in the next generation.
It kind of comes full circle, because people will come back and they'll be like, oh, you were my doctor, and here's my baby. So I get to go through this whole other experience of life with them, which is really cool.
HMG also has a patient portal that helps them navigate their care and connect with their physician, making it easy for patients to take charge of their health and wellness. For more tips and information, please visit the Health Matters blog at holstonmedicalgroup.com. The preceding portion of Daytime Tri-Cities was sponsored by Holston Medical Group.